Carbins is a leading professional car film operating brand in China, which integrates new product research and development, brand operation, product sales, technical training, and platform service. The products include car color change film, car paint film, and window tint film. With over 10 years of technical accumulation and service upgrade, our company has always maintained a leading position in the mid to high-end color change segment in the industry. The company has been awarded the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and the Experimental Accreditation Certificate granted by CN, full embodiment of the company's emphasis on establishing perfect testing standards, standardized operation processes, and product quality assurance. The continuous progress in market development over the years, a high standard of material selection, more precise instruments and equipment, and the cumulative choice of over 500,000 car owners are the market's best recognition of the quality of Carbins series products. The products have been presented at the SEMA show in the United States, Automechanica in the Middle East, Bias in Thailand, MIMS in Moscow, and other overseas exhibitions and activities. In the road of globalization and promotion, in addition to continuously improving the international reputation of Carbins, we are looking for investment worldwide, expecting teams with strict requirements for quality, service, and professionalism to join us. In the future, Carbins will continue to strengthen the construction of the brand, new product development and service improvement, to provide more car owners with a wealth of reliable quality film, convenient service channels, quality installation experience, and perfect after-sales protection. Let the quality of film continue to create value. Stick together, be happier.